The new monster of the smartphone industry, Xiaomi 17 Ultra, has officially arrived. Following tradition, I'll start by talking about its strengths first, and toward the end of the video, I'll cover its two notable shortcomings. The moment you pick it up, you can tell that it's significantly lighter and slimmer compared to previous Ultra models. The green version I have uses transparent fiberglass mixed with mineral particles, which gives it a very premium and refined feel. Finally, Xiaomi has chosen a flat display for this generation. It features a large diagonal design similar to the 17 Pro Max, and the ultra-narrow bezels on all four sides are genuinely comfortable on the eyes. And thanks to the triple camera layout and the flat screen, the heavy pressure usually caused by the camera module is no longer noticeable. Even the side buttons have been redesigned. Simply put, Xiaomi's high-end phones now feel far more mature than before. There isn't much left to say about performance. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. However, for those who still nitpick about Xiaomi's software, I strongly recommend trying HyperOS 3 at least once. From app switching to heavy multitasking, the silky smooth animations and responsiveness are nothing short of outstanding. This is where the real magic happens. The true star of the Xiaomi 17 Ultra is its camera system. The main camera features a 1-inch light hunter sensor, co-engineered with Leica. It uses a form of black technology that controls light overflow at the pixel level. Simply put, each pixel works like a tiny reservoir, holding light precisely where it belongs. Where ordinary phones lose detail in high-contrast scenes, this sensor captures texture in both intense highlights and deep shadows. Its native dynamic range is genuinely astonishing. Without any professional editing, you can capture shots that look like masterpieces. The biggest surprise comes from the telephoto lens. For the first time in smartphone history, it offers true continuous optical zoom from 75mm to 100mm. No digital cropping, just pure optical performance. You can zoom freely from 3.2x to 4.3x with absolutely no loss in image quality. Purple and green fringing or chromatic aberration, which is commonly seen in telephoto lenses, has been virtually eliminated using a multi-glass optical structure. The result? Crystal clear, razor-sharp images. With the 200-megapixel mode, you can crop aggressively after shooting and still be amazed by the level of detail. When it comes to video, the phone is completely maxed out. The main camera supports 4K 60fps HDR recording, and with Leica filters, you get massive flexibility in post-production. Thanks to the top-tier optical coating on the lens, reflections from neon lights and street lights at night are beautifully controlled. For live shooting and vlogging, it supports 4K 120fps slow motion and a main character mode that makes zoom transitions feel incredibly cinematic. To make intelligent features easier, there's also the upgraded Xiao Eye Assistant on the Chinese variant. Charging anxiety is gone. The phone packs a massive 6800 mAh battery with 100-watt wired and 80-watt wireless fast charging support. Thanks to Xiaomi's open charging protocol, even third-party chargers can fast charge the phone, which is very user-friendly. Among all these strengths, two things may stand out as drawbacks. Number 1. The removal of the secondary display. To make room for the massive telephoto module, the rear secondary screen has been removed. While understandable from a practical standpoint, it's still a bit disappointing. Number 2. The limited usefulness of the ultra-wide lens. Outside of specific use cases like real estate photography, the ultra-wide lens still doesn't feel essential. That said, Xiaomi's decision to focus more on optical zoom is absolutely the right direction. The battle of spec sheets continues every year, but in the end, what we really want is the ability to capture emotions perfectly. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra gives you that freedom. It's not just a device, it's a tool that turns life's small moments, a child's smile or the face of aging parents, into art. The true goal of technology isn't endlessly pushing parameters, but creating a stronger, simpler connection between people and the world. 10 years from now, even the most expensive camera you own won't be able to bring back who you are today. So capture these moments now, with the best tool in your hands. So, what's your thought about this camera monster? Tell us on the comments.